Well, howdy there, everybody. I know it's been a while, and Justin here. And today, we're going to take off our mouse ears and talk about some of the down and dirty, the unglamorous parts of 3D printing that maybe you don't get to see on all these other YouTube pages, Facebook groups, stuff like that. The pains, the tribulation, the frustration. So as a lot of you know, at one point in time I had an Elegoo Saturn here on the channel and it died on me. The Z-axis fell out the bottom, everything I sent back. So Dylan bought the Elegoo Saturn S, thinking, maybe we just had that 1 in 100 million defect and we thought, let's give it another shot. Well, Dylan's Saturn S has been nothing but a giant paperweight for most of the time. We've got 1 or 2 good prints off of it, but nothing outstanding, and it's inconsistent. We have adjusted programming, we have adjusted everything from different resins to different temperatures, whereas locations that we have changed so much stuff around trying to get this thing dialed in with still no results. So we have contacted Elegoo and we have ordered parts to hopefully rectify this situation. Ordered a new screen, new FEP, another resin vat, and a flex plate for the build plate. So let's see how Elegoo decided to ship things to us, shall we? So here we are with the package Elegoo sent us. It's nowhere pretty or anything. They didn't put the company name on like they said they would or anything else. Yeah, so there's that. And of course the flex plate by Wham Bam came in this beautiful package, even though it says it's fragile, and we're still trying to figure that out, but we're more just Elegoo. Come on, you can do better. But let's give this a little slice open here and see how bad the damage really is, and hopefully it's not much damage, as I'm trying to do this one-handed because it is late at night here. Dylan is at home, and yeah, I am the cameraman, I am the opener, I am the host, I am all the above right now, but we make do with what we have for the greatness of this channel, and to show you that not everything is all puppies and candy within this hobby. Oh, good God. So, oh, look, there's another package inside. Jeez. So the question now becomes, what in here? Let's go ahead and give this top package a little cut open and fully see what's in it. We're going to try to set this up here a little bit better, because, movie magic and all. There we go. Okay, everybody. And look, I'm in front of the camera again. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Well, it's got heat resistance wherever it is. I'm thinking this might be the screen. Oh no. This is the new FEP liner. So there you go. Very top box. Nothing else in there. Next, as we continue to cut through this mess they have done. I'm not even sure how they decided to package like this, but they could have just stuck it literally in a single box, and it would have been probably simpler. But what is this one? This is still stuck in here. Jesus. Okay, this looks like it's the screen. We can actually get it out. There we go. Yep, so the LCD panel for the screen, there we go. Brand new in the box. It's gonna go on Dylan's Saturn S. We're gonna hopefully get this thing up and running. I'm hoping that fixed the problem, but we're gonna go through and, you know, troubleshoot everything. And finally, this last thing should be, and I am correct, is the new resin tank. So I'm just gonna leave it like that so it's all together. And finally, we're gonna come here, open wham bams. Now this is a metal flex plate and it's fragile. Please don't drop. And I'm not quite sure why a metal flex plate is fragile. So, and good guys, got some heft to it. Which I their version on my Elegoo Mars. But there it is. It's really simple. It literally is a magnet that sticks to your build plate, holds upside down, and this plate just comes on and off. So there you go. As you can tell, we've got a bunch of stuff we've got to throw on this printer. I will keep you updated as I go. That way, once we fully figure out what the issue is, we can share it, because for some reason on the internet, everybody that has Elegoo Saturn is a little secretive about their settings. We are not going to be that way. Once we figure out what this thing needs and how it needs to work right, we are sharing it with the world free of charge. We want anybody who gets this printer to be able to come out and print. That is our promise to you, the people, and we ask nothing in return. So, to hear all this stuff when it comes out, please like and follow the video. I promise there's more. As you can tell from the shorts, I have been busy printing all kinds of cosplay stuff, sending stuff out, having to do maintenance on my own stuff, playing some games here and there. We're trying to do a little bit of everything. And we love to hear from you on suggestions. Maybe even getting a podcast together. We don't know yet, but stay tuned.